Greetings, Fort Worth ISD team. As we approach this special season of gratitude, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt thanks for your unwavering commitment and dedication to our district during this time of transformation. Accepting the role of Interim Superintendent has been an incredible honor, and I'm truly humbled by the hard work and resilience I have witnessed from each of you. Your efforts over the past few weeks have laid the foundation for the meaningful changes we are striving to implement in our schools, ensuring that every student has the opportunity to succeed. We enter this period of transition with a shared purpose to address the critical challenges facing our district and to prioritize the needs of our students, teachers, and families. Together, we're embarking on a strategic action plan that emphasizes improvement in student achievement, the strengthening of our community partnerships, and ensuring that our resources are aligned with our goals. As we gather with our loved ones this Thanksgiving, I encourage each of you to reflect on what you are thankful for and take pride in your contributions to our district. Your hard work is not only appreciated, it is vital to paving the way for a brighter future for our students and their families. Again, thank you for your dedication and support during this important time. Together, we continue to make a positive impact on the lives of those we serve. One Fort Worth ISD. Warmest wishes for a joyful and fulfilling Thanksgiving holiday.
We are One Fort Worth ISD.